So this is Hemi's new toy. It's a weird looking ball and it squeaks, right? And Hemi really wants his ball. So we're gonna put it in a bag and we're gonna fold the bag. Ready, buddy? Ready? Alright, you gonna take it? You gonna take it? Go ahead, take it. Take it. Take it. Good boy. You gonna get it out of there? Where's your toy at? Come on, buddy, you can get it. Get it, buddy. Make sure he spits out the pieces of bag out of his mouth first. He's so gentle. There you go. Come on, you can do it, buddy. Yeah! Go for it! Woohoo! Did you get it? Alright, show me. Let me see. Let me see you got it. Show mommy. Hemi, show me. I'm on this side, bud. What? You gonna show me? Alright, say bye-bye to everybody. Say squeaky, squeaky.